So I just got a package from India. This box is from a company called UNIVED Sports, and they're from India, and they're a new nutrition company on the scene. They reached out and they were like, hey, can we send you some stuff? No strings attached. So I started texting back and forth, and they've got a lot of really cool athletes on their roster, like Charlie McKee, Hayden Hawks, Dan Whitehead, a bunch of others. And the big reason why I said, yes, send me some stuff is because all of their products are vegan and gluten-free. Yeah, so they sent me a bunch of gels, electrolyte mix, recovery mix, cocoa vanilla, and ooh, ultra butter. Oh, also salt caps. So I'm looking for a nutrition company to team up with this year, and maybe UNIVED will be it. Because yeah, I have by far the hardest year of racing ever about lined up. Okay, so this is actually the next day. Yesterday I went for a run, didn't take my GoPro, but I did try out a couple of these products, and then after I had the recovery mix, both were really good. Trying out the espresso cappuccino, just a road run today, maybe like 5-6 miles. But just wanted to come off the main highway onto this trail for a minute because it's loud out there, and I don't think you guys will be able to hear anything that I was saying. And also, I've got this new pair of Torrens. Just opened these up a couple days ago. Got maybe 30 miles in them. Feels so good to wear a new pair of shoes. My last pair was at like 350 miles. All right, so here goes. This is the espresso cappuccino. It's supposed to have coffee in it. Whoa! Oh, that's awesome. Like real ground up coffee beans. Oh, also, Altra sent me an email a couple days ago and invited me back to the red team. Great email to get. Yeah, so super pumped to be back with Altra for another year. Also wanted to thank you guys for the awesome response to my New Year's Eve video where I put some goals out there. I'm really excited about this year and everything that I've got planned out. But it's also super scary. Well, that said, thank you guys for the response you've given me on that video. It's really encouraged me a lot. Another thing that's really awesome is since my last video, a couple of you have contacted me about coaching, and I picked up a few new athletes on my team. So really pumped about that. 2019. Hey guys, what's up? This is actually Tuesday night. So I'm trying something new with this video, and I'm splitting it up over a couple days. Give you guys a couple different runs throughout the week. Just take the camera out a little bit more often, make it a little bit less about one run, one day, and just kind of show you a little bit more of my training through the week. I'm just out here on some like country road, running with cars. It's one thing I really don't like is running with a bunch of cars on the road. I've got my new Torrens on again, third or fourth run. I also got my headlamp because since I said it was Tuesday night, it's about to get dark. Some of these cars are starting to get pretty close though, so I'm gonna turn my headlamp on. Nice little sunset run. Only like 2 miles away from my house right now. But I'm gonna head back because I'm pretty far out here. The sunset is gorgeous. Woo! Beautiful colors. Alright, so now it's time to try this orange gel. A lot more liquidy, full of liquid, more not so much gel, more liquid. I really love night runs, I really do. And I'm off, back home, turn around, get home, don't get hit by a car, don't die. Tonight is not a good night for drivers. I'm getting off this road as fast as I can. All right, so just a short run. Cocoa vanilla recovery. I still have my headlamp on. I don't need that. It's snowing right now, a lot. Like we're supposed to get like 5 inches today. So I'm gonna hit the trails pretty soon. I'm waiting on a package to come in with a couple new pairs of shoes. Back with the Altra Red team. Yeah, another year. This team is so cool. Such good people. This company is great. So it's gonna continue. I'm gonna have another year of racing with Altra. This video was like a really big test to see how I liked doing this type of format, spreading it out over a couple days, splicing it together, trying to put together kind of like a weekly recap. If you like this, let me know. If not, just wait for the next video. Maybe I'll just continue to focus on like one day, one run, throw in some other videos throughout the week of coaching or reviews or something like that. Okay, so I just got a new box of shoes. 2 new pairs of shoes. The first one, these are some new road shoes. These are the Ultra Duo. I got the orange and black, also kind of navy blue. These are super lightweight, kind of their max cushioning run shoe for roads. Never tried these, really excited to try them out, but that's not what I'm gonna be running in today. The new Timps. So these are the Timp 1.5. I had the original Timps and never really talked about them on this YouTube channel because they didn't really fit my feet. They weren't a shoe for me. But these, with the 1.5 model, from what I've heard, they really fixed a lot of the things I didn't like about the ones. So I'm gonna give these a good shot. Take a look at that tread right there. Oh my gosh. Got the gator trap. So they had an off-center lacing system before. They went back to kind of like a regular lacing system. The problem I had with the originals was that they were just too wide and my foot like kind of slipped around inside just way too much for me. So I'm really hoping that these are just a different fit from what I've heard. A lot of people like these. So I'm really excited to try these out because what's going on outside? So it's basically a blizzard out there right now. They're calling for like 3 to 5 inches, and right now we've got probably like 2 to 3. So it's gonna keep snowing all day. I'm gonna take these out on the trail. Very excited. All right, let's go. We're having basically a blizzard. It means that you should take shelter, but also it's good running conditions. Hey, it is snowing like crazy. Just out here in a blizzard. I have no idea how much I'm gonna do because it's pretty freezing cold out here. I'm gonna try and get a couple miles in using my new Timps. Let's do this. Here we go. It's so deep. we go. All right, that was a tough run. 5 miles in the snow. Feel pretty good about that. I'm fine. The reason why I'm not going so far, oh, I forgot to stop. In about an hour, we're going rock climbing at this rock climbing gym, and I'm really excited about that. It's so fun. It's such a fun winter activity to get out there and move your body. So that's all here. I'm gonna change shoes and get home.